9 South African soldiers have died in intense fighting with the M23 rebels in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Sabina mashukatuna kuti aiwa 9 masoldiers South Africa ouraiwa mubeto with my M23 rebels in DRC. Lord was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina vana pamudana pamchinzi. The troops were part of the Southern African Development Community SADC mission in DRC. On Friday, the South African National Defense Force reported that the soldiers were involved in a 2-day battle to stop the rebel group from advancing towards Gama, the provincial capital of North Kivu. According to the SANDF, the M23 rebels launched a full-scale assault aiming to capture Goma. However, South African forces, along with their regional counterparts, put up a determined resistance and eventually repelled their insurgents, the SANDF said. The confrontation resulted in the loss of 7 SANDF members and 2 soldiers serving under the United Nations Organization Stabilization Mission in the DRC, MONUSCO. Several others sustained injuries, but the exact number is yet to be confirmed. The SANDF is in the process of confirming the families of their fallen soldiers. The South African contingent was deployed in December 2023 as part of the SADC's effort to stabilize Eastern DRC, which has been troubled by ongoing conflicts between government forces and various rebel factions. Meanwhile, Congolese authorities have blocked access to Goma Airport and cancelled flights as Rwandan-backed rebels advance on the city. Tomash Kwanunu Kapanapa, Janabut Iowa, Navirkwita DRC at serious. But our forces, Iowa, Tona, Wapo, South Africa, Vajino, Isar Nararo, au DRC, Tona, 9, Wutsakatika, Vourawa kuDRC rebels, Arugu, Conseresa, Uliga, DRC. Tuzema fully in loot, Nepam, Sarpachito, each. Tiona, Iowa, is Rugu, Conseresa, and out the field politics that it comes Southern Africa. Tuzema fully in the comment section menu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.